Lord God is a God who avenges. O God, who avenges. Shine forth. Rise up. Rise up, judge of the earth. Pay back to the proud what they deserve. How long, Lord? How long, Lord? How long, Lord, will the wicked be jubilant? They pour out arrogant words. All of the evildoers are full of boasting. They crush your people, Lord. They oppress your inheritance. They slay the widow and the foreigner. They murder the fatherless. They say, the Lord does not see. The Lord does not see. The God of Jacob takes no notice. Take notice, you senseless ones among the people. You fools, when will you become wise? Does he who fashioned the ear not hear? Does he who formed the eye not see? Does he who disciplines nations not punish? Does he who teaches mankind lack knowledge? The Lord knows all human plans. He knows they are futile. Blessed is the one you discipline, Lord, the one you teach from your law. You grant them relief, relief, relief from the days of trouble, till a pit is dug for the wicked. For the Lord will not reject his people. He will never forsake his inheritance. Judgment again will be founded on righteousness, and all the upright in heart will follow it. Who will rise up for me against the wicked? Who will rise up with me against the wicked? Who will rise up for me against the wicked? Who will take a stand with me against evildoers? Unless the Lord had given me help. Unless the Lord had given me help, I would have soon dwelt in the silence of death. When I said my foot is slipping, your unfailing love supported me. When anxiety was great within me, your consolation brought me joy. Can a corrupt throne be allied with you? A throne that brings on misery by its decrees? The wicked band together against the righteous and condemn the innocent to death. But the Lord God has become my fortress, and my God is the rock in whom I take refuge. He will repay them for their sins and destroy them for their wickedness. The Lord our God will destroy them.